You will be amazed by this 2020 Ford F-150. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, sun moonroof, 4x4, power passenger seat, satellite radio, fog lamps. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.